Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you simple ways to economy pick. It really is not that difficult at all, so I'm going to explain it and demystify it for you, debunk it. Economy picking is a relative term. Everyone needs to learn to economy pick in their own way because it's like your own style of music. So when you have your own style, it's yours. You don't play like someone else. And so economy picking is something you have to develop on your own, according to your own play. It's like a relative term. I relate economy picking to like running a football route or walking in the snow. If you're in a football route, if you're the receiver, it's a lot easier to create the route you're going to run than it is to be the guy that's got to follow that route. Following that route, if you've ever done it, is much harder, much more difficult because you don't know where the guy's going. The other guy who's creating the route does know where he's going. When you walk in the snow, it is much easier to just walk and create your own steps than it is to follow in someone else's. So, when you economy pick, it is much easier to develop your own way of economy picking than it is to follow what's natural for someone else to do. You have to create your own style of economy picking based on the way you play, and that's really, it's a personal thing. It's not standard like a D chord or an A chord or any chord. It's not a standard thing. It's personal to your individual style of play. So I'm going to explain how you develop it. This video is going to be very short. I know it's against a lot of the other things out there. This doesn't take long to explain. I keep it simple and truthful. So here it is. You just decide when you're going to pick and when you're not. So in your techniques, if you're alternate picking, you're using your pick. When you decide to do a hammer-on pull-off move, you're not picking every note. You are now entering into economy mode. So it's just simply something like this. That's it. There's some economy picking for you. There's some economy picking for you. Here's another easy way to say this is economy picking. I didn't pick every single note in the lick. That makes it an economy picked lick. That's all there is. It's very simple. Don't pick every single note. Decide in your own style of how you play, when you want to pick the notes, when you don't want to. That is economy picking. I gave you the definition. It's very simple. Just don't pick every single note, and that is economy picking. But you need to develop it against your way of playing, just however you play. When you're playing, just don't pick every note. Develop a way to pick something all the time, and then don't pick everything all the time. Pull-offs, hammer-ons, trills, then some alternate picking. That would be an economy style of play. If you're straight alternate picking, then that is not an economy style. I hope this really makes things easy about how to do, what is economy picking. That's it. That's all it is. Just don't pick every single note. I gave you a couple examples. I'm sure you get it by now. Go have fun. It's not complicated. Again, but try, I wouldn't be chasing somebody else's way because it's not your way. If this helps, leave a comment. Let me know that you were able to understand what I'm saying. And if you want to see anything else, let me know. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.